Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of Beyond Basic Joinery advanced techniques design ideas for timeless secrets every modern woodworker needs to know. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the world of modern woodworking, the phrase Beyond Basic Joinery has come to symbolize more than just advanced techniques for fitting pieces of wood together. It represents a philosophy of balance where tradition, innovation, artistry, sustainability, and profitability converge to create a craft that speaks to today's makers and tomorrow's market. For centuries, joinery has been the backbone of woodworking, an art form that allowed humans to build homes, furniture, and tools with nothing but simple hand tools, ingenuity, and patience. Yet in today's fast-paced, mass-production world, the temptation to sacrifice craftsmanship for speed has made true, thoughtful joinery seem like an endangered skill. But modern woodworking is not about discarding the old ways, nor is it about clinging to them blindly. Instead, it is about using timeless joinery secrets to craft projects that are high impact in design and function. Projects that respect sustainability and authenticity while finding their place in a world that demands efficiency and profitability. When a craftsman approaches wood joinery today, they are not just building a table, a chair, or a storage box. They are participating in a deeper dialogue about how making can be innovative without being wasteful, artistic without being inaccessible, and profitable without losing its soul. What makes timeless joinery so powerful in the modern landscape is its adaptability. Mortise-and-tenon joints, dovetails, and lap joints are centuries-old solutions to the simple problem of connecting pieces of wood securely, yet they remain relevant because they offer something glue and screws cannot: longevity, elegance, and a visible testimony to skill. When these techniques are applied to modern designs, they bring with them a sense of authenticity that is rare in flat-packed, machine-assembled furniture. A hand-cut dovetail in a drawer front or a perfectly fitted mortise in a chair leg tells a story about patience, practice, and respect for the material. At the same time, modern craftsmen are learning to adapt these traditional forms to new realities by incorporating sustainable woods, reclaimed timber, and even hybrid materials that reduce waste while still honoring the structural and aesthetic integrity of the piece. This blend of old and new allows woodworking to flourish in a way that does not simply replicate what has been done before, but transforms it into something that feels current, responsible, and impactful. The artistry of joinery also offers something that machines and mass production cannot replicate: a sense of accessibility for those who value beauty in everyday life. Too often, the perception of fine woodworking is one of exclusivity, where only the most skilled or wealthy can access or appreciate the results. But modern joinery has shown that artistry does not need to be inaccessible. With simple hand tools, careful planning, and practice, a craftsman can create joints that are both functional and breathtaking, bringing a level of artistry to household items that makes them heirlooms rather than disposable goods. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. This accessibility is key in a world where consumers are increasingly drawn to handmade, one-of-a-kind pieces that carry meaning. Buyers are not just purchasing a chair or a shelf, they are buying the story of how it was made, the integrity of the material, and the knowledge that their purchase is aligned with values of sustainability and authenticity. Yet, artistry alone does not sustain a craft in the modern economy. To thrive, woodworking must also be profitable without losing the qualities that make it meaningful. This is where the secrets of joinery take on new significance. A well-joined piece is not only stronger and longer-lasting than a cheaply assembled one, it commands greater respect and therefore greater value in the market. Consumers today are increasingly willing to invest in pieces that will outlast trends and resist wear because these investments reflect not only a desire for durability, but also a commitment to sustainable consumption. In this sense, profitability in woodworking is not about cutting corners, but about demonstrating value. By combining time-honored techniques with innovative designs that appeal to modern lifestyles, like modular furniture, compact storage solutions, or eco-friendly home decor. Craftsmen can create products that are financially viable while still remaining authentic to their traditions. The sustainability aspect is crucial because innovation without responsibility is hollow. The challenge in today's woodworking is not just to build beautifully, but to do so in ways that minimize waste and environmental impact. Beyond basic joinery lies the opportunity to use reclaimed wood, to celebrate imperfections in the material, and to design projects that maximize efficiency. For example, a reclaimed beam turned into a table base using a visible, hand-cut mortise and tenon joint not only reduces the need for new lumber, but also transforms history into functionality. These sustainable practices do not limit artistry. Rather, they inspire it by asking makers to see potential where others might see scraps or flaws. This shift aligns perfectly with the growing consumer desire for eco-conscious living, making woodworking that embraces sustainability both meaningful and marketable. At its core, woodworking has always been about creating meaning from raw material, shaping not just wood but also human connection, heritage, and daily life. Beyond basic joinery, the secrets that craftsmen carry with them are not just technical tricks, but philosophies of patience, care, and vision. In a world that often values speed over depth and convenience over quality, these values are more relevant than ever. Every joint cut carefully by hand is an act of resistance against disposability, a reminder that things worth having take time, effort, and heart. When such values are brought into modern contexts, paired with sleek designs, eco-friendly choices, and practical innovations, they resonate deeply with buyers who are tired of soulless, mass-produced goods. The future of woodworking, then, lies in this delicate but powerful balance to remain innovative without excess, artistic without pretension, profitable without compromise. Joinery is the perfect metaphor for this future because it embodies the connection of parts into a harmonious whole. Each piece of wood, each cut, each fit represents a decision about how to honor tradition while embracing progress. And when those decisions are made thoughtfully, the results are projects that are not only high impact in their beauty and function, but also deeply rooted in authenticity and sustainability. In this way, Beyond Basic Joinery is not just a technical phrase, it is a vision for modern woodworking, one that allows craftsmen to build futures as enduring as the furniture they create, projects that embody innovation without waste, artistry without exclusion, and profitability without the sacrifice of meaning. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked Beyond Basic Joinery advanced techniques design ideas for timeless secrets every modern woodworker needs to know. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.